A 40-question English quiz on grammar, synonyms, and antonyms. Try it now and see how well you do. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Function. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer B. Distribute. Choose a synonym for defiant. Answer D. Resistant. Which word is closest in meaning to lavish? Answer A. Extravagant. What does on the house mean? Answer C. Free of charge. What does on second thought mean? Answer D. After reconsidering. Which word is the opposite of arrogant? Answer B. Humble. Opposite of abrupt. Answer A. Gradual. What is the plural of bush? Answer D. Bushes. Choose the correct plural form of classmate. Answer C. Classmates. Fill in the blank. Answer D. This bag is heavier than mine. Complete the sentence. Answer C. He is keen on learning new skills. What is the second form of sink? Answer A. Sank. Past tense of strike. Answer C. Struck. What is the opposite of tedious? Answer D. Engaging. Which word is the antonym of weary? Answer C. Energetic. Select the opposite of lucid. Answer D. Confusing. What does in a bind mean? Answer A. In trouble. What does call the shots mean? Answer A. Be in control. What does get a taste of your own medicine mean? Answer C. Same treatment. Which word can replace keen? Answer D. Enthusiastic. Choose a synonym for innocuous. Answer B. Harmless. Which word is closest in meaning to conscientious? Answer C. Diligent. Identify the correct spelling. Answer D. Ancient. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer A. Illustrate. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Manufacture. What is the past form of buy? Answer D. Bought. Identify the past tense of lose. Answer A. Lost. Choose the past form of run. Answer C. Ran. Complete the phrase. Answer A. She goes to work every day. Fill in the blank. Answer C. I've never been to Japan. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. They belong to another department. What is the plural of lake? Answer A. Lakes. Select the plural form of hospital. Answer D. Hospitals. Choose the plural of sandwich. Answer A. Sandwiches. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Assistant. Choose a synonym for course. Answer A. Route. What is the past form of cost? Answer D. Cost. What is the plural of birthday? Answer B. Birthdays. Select the plural of holiday. Answer C. Holidays. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.